So let's talk about Raydium. Its short form is Ray. It's sitting at $2.24 right now. And I've covered this coin in the past as well, but I think that would be pretty much a very long time ago. I will go and check it. While I search for it, can you let me know in the comments if you are invested in Raydium? If you are, if you could let me know that why are you invested? That would be really helpful because it will help me understand that, okay, what is the reason that people choose a certain coin? And what do you think is going to be the all-time high of Raydium according to you in this year? Okay, I'm not able to find it easily. That means it is, it's been quite some time. I updated this phone. I have 4 mobile phones. It's a whole different problem I'm dealing with. Anyway, so I don't have access to 4-5 months old messages. So Raydium, its life totally depends on Solana. If Solana is doing horribly, Raydium would do horribly. If Solana is doing well, then Raydium will do well. Living example of this is this $8.7 attempt. This is the time when Solana went towards $300, and this overall shit that it did, this is when Solana was at $97. Now some people can confuse this with the overall market direction, but that is not the case scenario. Raydium is totally and fully based on the overall success and volume of Solana. If meme coins, which is the Solana's major game, if meme coins volume is dropping on Solana, the overall success of not just Raydium, there is another sucker out there called Jupiter. They both are directly affected by Solana. Just like PancakeSwap is directly connected to BNB, similarly Raydium and Jupiter are directly connected to Solana. So if you somehow are in love with this coin, then the only thing that you should consider is the overall journey of Solana. Living example of that, another is, this is 13 cent, this is 8.5. now if you 8.7 from 13 cents, I will show it to you right now. 8.7 divided by 13 cents, this is a journey of 66.9x, 67x. What does it mean? $1,000 into it would have turned into $67,000 if you had purchased it when Solana dropped towards $8. Now, if we talk about Solana, $300 divided by 8, that's only a 37.5x, 37x. Raydium has done way more. Raydium has done double, but of course, Raydium is not famous. No one talks about it, that it has actually done double the travel journey of Solana. But Solana is the hero that moved from $8 to $300. Of course, no one talks about first dropping from $250 to $8. Similarly, that is the case scenario with Raydium. But if we talk about Raydium from the larger perspective, from long-term perspective, if we look at Raydium in general is a horrible project. I'll share its TA. Don't worry, I'm not going to stretch it. But just touching upon its fundamentals. It's a horrible project because it totally depends on one thing, and that is Solana, and Solana itself is not that stable. That is one bad thing. Another thing is it's highly inflated, and they still have 50% of the supply yet to get released, and this is an extremely old project as well. I think this is there from 2021, and of course Raydium had a peak at $17, and then the launch price of Raydium was 3.9, 3.8. And today it is sitting even below its starting price, and of course it went to 13 cents, just like Solana, same structure as Solana. So anyway, it's inflated, a horrible project for long term. It is only good if the market goes to shit like it did when it dropped towards 13 cents. Then it is a good time to go and grab some, and then pray that this time Solana will run again, and then this will run again with it. So anyway, that's the overall long-term perspective of Raydium and the fundamental of it. Now let's talk about its technical. Its technical is simple. Its major support area is at $2. It has a double bottom structure. As long as $2 continues to hold, Raydium will continue to go up because this is a double bottom structure. It is a bullish structure. The neckline is at 2.5. If it closes 2 daily candles above 2.5 with the bodies, not the wicks, then you should expect it is going to shoot up. And when I say shoot up, it is going to go towards $3, then towards 3.4, let's call it 3.5. And that's going to be pretty much a really aggressive move because it will shoot up towards almost this area. And that's pretty much it with Raydium. There is nothing else to add. You know the fundamental and the TA. If $2 is intact, it will only go up. If it loses $2, the first drop area is $1.4. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.